You cannot tell from simply reading the manifesto of a political party whether or not the party is going to deliver when it is in office. The reality is that the way manifestos are written is that people look at what is wrong in a country and they use the most convincing language to say they're going to fix these problems. Then the parties go ahead and present as candidates for elective office, not the most competent candidates and not the people who can actually deliver on the promises in their manifestos, but the loyalists who have been in party structures the longest, who they feel must be rewarded with government positions at the expense of service delivery and good governance. Now, after 36 years of misrule, what the people of Zimbabwe must demand are not fanciful manifestos, but that their political parties field the right people. And that even before the elections, those selected must be willing to receive training and must clearly demonstrate a commitment to good governance. This is why the Build Zimbabwe Alliance is offering Project 210 Plus, not just for Build Zimbabwe Alliance candidates, but to all those Zimbabweans who aspire to be transformational leaders and who desire to be equipped for it. A coalition must be built around a strategy that ensures that we will have top to bottom leadership renewal. To repair the damage that has been done to our economy, to service delivery, and to the social fabric of our country in the past 36 years, will require councillors who know what they are doing, parliamentarians who can connect their constituencies to the promise of the 21st century, and an executive that understands that the best people are not always going to be found even in their own party, but all over the world. What we must end up with in 2018 is not a government from one party, but a team of the most competent Zimbabweans to tackle the challenges our nation faces. We must vote in a transitional government that will in 5 years not only address the immediate needs of our people, but have the capacity to establish a solid foundation for the long-term success of our country. Our country should not be led by anyone who fears the counsel of private citizens who simply want to contribute to the development of their country, and instead relies exclusively on the self-serving counsel of a Politburo of cronies. Countries that thrive leverage those citizens in strategic positions in the global economy to provide critical inside the boardroom perspectives, to build relational bridges and facilitate access that would benefit the country. Positioning Zimbabwe for rapid economic development in the 21st century will also require shrewd international business diplomacy to help us do business with the world. That will mean not wasting diplomatic appointments on friends, but instead building a business-savvy diplomatic core which ensures that our ability to do business with the international community does not suffer when we have political differences with a few nations.